Ryan and his pet bird. Alright, let him go. Dude, don't just shove his face. Let him go. See where he goes. Oh, shit. Oh? What the hell?
Oh, there goes my pet bird. Film him.
What the hell, man? Oh, now we can go get him. He's in the fucking horse pen.
Yeah?
Yeah, let's go see if we can go get him.
Alright.
Fucking bird. Alright, we gotta hurry up and see if we can get him again. This is how people hunt for pigeons. You see him out there? I know he landed somewhere out here. Come on, Ryan, you're the hunter. Dude, you see him? Oh, I see him. Yeah. There he is. There's the little guy.
Well, you gotta fly away on me.
There's our pet pigeon. He flew away. It's because you held on to him, you dick. I think the poor little guy's got a bad wing. I don't know. Come here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, shit. There he goes.
And he's in the tree.
God damn it. Why'd I do that? We almost had a pet bird. So no, that sucks. Where is he? Well, that's a story of how Ryan had a pet bird for 2 minutes and 12 seconds.